Hey, Hawk, man. Everybody been wanting to know who you is, man. Trying to figure out who you was, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, y'all looking at the one and only, the Cherokee Warrior, known for catching bass.
What's up, y'all? I'm back again. About to hit this spot. The weather ain't looking too good, but it's a little windy. Got a front coming through, so me and my boy Hawk out here. Y'all see the truck in the background. You see the truck. You see that nice Nissan, don't you? You see that Nissan, don't you? See that Nissan right there? Look at them plows. So yeah, so I'm finna go on down here. You know, he over there. I'm finna get down over here. I got my pole. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show y'all setup in a minute. Hold on. Put my stuff down first. Alright. I got my bag right there. That's my bass bag right there. Got the worms. And I got a little pouch sitting on me. You see the pouch right there? That's the pouch. Give y'all overview. Check me on out. Check me out. Got the grass right there. I may throw something on top of there. We're gonna see. May throw something in there, but let me just try that worm first, see what we got. Be right with you. Yeah, boy, I've been doing a little thing, but so we switched over to the worms and everything like that, and I got a little bit of one of these little suckers right here. But sorry, I ain't getting the camera. It started raining and everything, you know what I'm saying? And you know how it goes, so got a little one right there. Right there. I'm gonna throw him back though. So let's see if we can get this thing on video this time. Y'all ready? They like to bite when the video off. Ain't that right, Hawk? I'm gonna show y'all what we doing right quick. See that right there? Got a worm on there with the swivel, with the weight and the swivel. Look, swivel and the weight right here. See that right there? This is a technical way to fish at the bottom. So let's go. Let it sit to the bottom a little bit. Wait to see if you can let it settle down in the spot. You don't get no bite in that spot, then scoot it a little bit more. Then scoot it a little bit more, and then stop and scoot it a little bit more. Cause you gotta find a spot where they biting at. That's the thing. Don't just be, these people come out here and what they like to do. He looking at me like, on video, what they like to do, they like to come and sit here and just leave in that one spot. Yeah, for a couple, 10 minutes, then scoot it, then 10 more minutes. You're gonna find that spot, but you leave it there the whole time for 45 or an hour or 2 hours, you ain't gonna get no bite. So, like I said, you gotta scoot it around a little bit. So let's go. Sometimes you'll get it to that spot and get a bite, and sometimes you won't. Now, see what I'm saying? I scoot it a little bit, and I wait. But my last bite was over there on that side, so that's really where I need to be at right now, honestly. Honestly, that's where I need to be. But not there. You know what I'm saying? Let it scoot, let it sit there for a minute. I'll go over there trying to do this thing. Once you don't get no bite, reel it up. Try a different spot. Don't sit in that spot all day long. You know what I'm saying? Because you got to scout the area. Now, my last bite was right here where I'm casting at now. So I'm pretty sure we're probably going to get a bite from here. I'm pretty sure. That's what my last bite was at. I just want to get this on camera just one time. So I'm pretty sure we're going to get that bite. Now I remember it was on the pylon, so let me wind back up, cab back to the pylon. Get it, give it a couple more shots, right? And then we're gonna reel on in. Saying we don't want to spend too much time in one spot. We gotta find that productive spot and drop it there. once you find that productive spot, you know where that productive spot is at, keep it there. Either you found that productive spot that day or that week, or maybe, you know what I'm saying, you know it from fishing there before, and you could sit there, you could wait. But when you fishing and you trying to find a spot, you have, like I said, you got to find that spot. Once you find that spot where they at, and you know they there, you can let your patience have a little bit of work. I mean, I'm not gonna go into details about all that, but I just simply just telling you, be patient. But don't be too patient in spots where you don't need to be patient at, is what I'm saying. I want to get these worms up here. I gotta get the worms up, get the worms on here, see what I'm saying? I think I'm put 2 on y'all. 2 on there we go. Looking good like that. Like that. Pack a picture. I know that's where I got my bite at the last time, so we in the spot now. We in the spot now. Look at that. I think I'm already getting the bite. Hold up. There you go. There you go. There you go. See, I told you, boy, you got to get it live on video. It don't count till you get on video. There you go. There you go. Yes, sir. Hold on, wait. He going in the grass. He going in the grass. That mother done took the dog in the grass. Oh, man, he done got me in the grass. Hold on, wait a minute. I'm gonna scoop that sucker up out there. Get on out there. Get on out there, boy. Get on out there, boy. Look at that right there. Look at that brim right there, baby. Oh. Look at that brim right there, y'all. See that right there? That's what happened with your diligence. Nice fat brim. Look at that right there. See? Y'all don't play with me, and I don't play with you. We don't play with each other. See that right there? Hawk, you think you want this fish? So I got to keep it in me. Think you want this fish? He want it. Look at that fat brim. This is what you call fishing. Now, if I don't catch no more fish, I'm good. Ain't that right, Hawk? If I don't catch no more fish, I'm good with this right here. See that right there? Live on camera. All right, Hawk. I got a bag right here. I found a bag. We're going to put in this bag. I found this bag right here. Look at that. See how the Lord always make a way. Look at that. Didn't even see that bag there. Turned around, saw the bag right there. Hey! Now we about to get back on again. Listen here. Y'all gonna learn I am a real true fisherman. I don't play no games with it. The fish trying to jump out. I guess this thing ain't got no zip on it. There you go. I'm a real true fisher. Now y'all ready for some more action? Y'all ready for some more action? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Now we're gonna get on this spot. Now, I'm gonna give y'all a couple pointers because I know a lot of y'all asking like, how do you know where to fish at? I'm gonna give you some pointers in a minute. I'm back in that same spot again now. Watch me. Watch me now. Watch yourself. Show me what you're working with. Hold up. We should be getting a bite real soon. I ain't getting a good cast in the right spot, so let me go again. Y'all there? Okay, you ready? Stand there. Now what I'm doing, I'm casting past the break line. I know there's a break line out there and I'm casting past it. How I know there's a break line? Because I got bit there and I know that the depth of the water probably changes right there. I'm just assuming. And like I said, then I'm casting towards the break line. You know what I'm saying? I'm working my way back in. Now if I don't get bit within a couple feet, because I remember I cast that last time, it means I didn't cast far enough or I'm not close enough. One or the other. So this is what you have to pay attention to when you catch the first fish. Pay attention to where you cast at. It's gonna give you a good indication. See, I'm in the wrong spot, see what I'm saying? Now I know I'm in the right spot now. I seen that thing. I know exactly where I was at. You see what I'm talking about? I know exactly where I was at. Right there in the current break. Bites right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put another piece of worm on there. Got plenty of worms, so I'm not getting no bites right there. So what I'm gonna do is go put another piece. Oh, back to my tip. The tip was you wanna always move your bait around till you find that spot. The fish move, you gotta move. But you can stay and wait for the fish to come, but it's your decision. But you gotta find your own spots. And then the spots where you get bites at, what you do, first of all, you scoot it till you find the spots where the fish is biting at. Take note of that mental paper notes, write down mentally, whatever. Once you figured out where the fish are biting at, remember that spot, what you was doing. And you come out every day and you start finding different spots. So only thing you gotta do is start from the first spot where they was biting at to the second spot to the third spot to the fourth spot, especially if you don't got no boat. This is what you got to really be good at, memorizing the places and the locations that you caught the fish at and what you was doing when you caught them. That's very important for you, especially if you don't got a boat. Because remember, you don't got no depth reader. You can count when the bait drop down, but the spot, you don't have no depth reader where you can see the structure at the bottom and all that, so you have to really be precise in your casting and precise in knowing where you cast at and where you got to bite. See what I'm saying? So you have to be observative to your first bite, where you got your bite at, and you have to follow that same pattern the next go round in order to consistently catch the fish when they biting. So that is the main tip I want to give y'all. So let me go out here and see if I can't get another one real quick. Yes, sir. I see you right there, boy. You got him. Hold that thing up and let him see it. Yes, sir. Up close. I got to get him.
I'm coming.
Oh, yeah. I know you coming.
You got the bucket on the back?
You got a bucket? No, I ain't bring no bucket. Oh, look at it like a professional popping it out the mouth.
Got to pop it out the mouth. That's what you do when you get them boys.
Dang. Boy, you sat that hook good on that one.
That boy hook. He
That boy
wasn't
hook
going
good.
nowhere.
Now y'all seen it for yourself. Known for catching bass. There we
Known
go.
for catching bass.
Get up on that camera. Let's see it up close, Hawk.
Known for catching bass.
There go right
Known for catching bass, baby. What's my name?
there. Known for catching bass, Hawk. All right.